We're going to a different location. I decided that today I don't want to be trading in my setup.
All right, we active. Y'all can hear me?
The main purpose of this video was to show you guys what it's like to trade on the go, to show you guys what it's really like to be able to make money online. Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to another video. And right now, we're going to a different location. I decided that today I don't want to be trading in my setup, even though I love my setup. Make sure this camera don't fall. Even though I love my setup, this shit is moving a lot, I ain't gonna lie. But honestly, it'll have to do. But like I was saying, I love my setup, but sometimes I just want to get in a different scenery. Sometimes I want to view, sometimes I want to be outside, sometimes I want to actually enjoy the fact that I can trade anywhere, the fact that I can make money anywhere, the fact that I have a business, which is the VIP, that I could do anywhere as long as I'm able to be there on the computer, as long as I got Wi-Fi, we good. And that's what we about to do. I'm not going to tell you where we're going. I'm going to just let you see when we get there. We're going to trade with a view to keep it simple, but it is 9:18 and it's probably about like a 25-minute drive. So I'm going to try to get there before 9:30 because, as you guys know, 9:30 is when I actually hop on the charts. 9:30 is when I actually start looking for trades. And that's also the New York Stock Exchange open. So that's why we're going to try to get there at that time. Let's just get to it. Get to the location. Let's have a good day, good productive day. Let's try to win some trades today. We have a new 100K account that we're going to try to work with. And let's just see what we can do. Let's have a good productive day.
Yeah, let's go. Long.
Nah, this traffic is crazy. I ain't gonna lie.
It depends on what you're doing. I mean, if it's working, it's working. All right, we active. Y'all can hear me? Bet. All right, now I can finally look at my chart and shit. Now, that's ran the previous day's low. Possible longs. Okay. Damn, we got a good rejection already. Possible shorts from the 1 hour gap if I don't end up getting longs. Hog me out. All right. Yeah, at least with futures, I don't either. I don't know anybody. I don't trust anybody. There's Apex, but I'd rather have Top Step versus Apex. Even though Apex, you can still get paid. Just it's what you prefer. Isn't that just a broker? Yeah, that's a broker. They're a prop firm? I thought they were a broker. I think they're a broker. Yeah, they're a broker. You talking about Tradevate or Top Step? Tradevate? I know in comparison to what? Top Step or Tradevate? Because if you're comparing it to Tradevate, then yeah, they're both brokers. Then I get what you're saying. But Top Step itself, it's not a broker, it's just a prop firm. Yeah, today actually moved early though, surprisingly. I didn't think it was gonna move so much so early, but there was news though. Is that why I moved? Damn, no news and we was moving like that. At least I got a good view today, all that. Okay. Worst case scenario, I don't take a trade and I just go walk around. 30 is having a little push. I'm about to see. I'm gonna give it a second. See if it can reject while a NAS comes to the 4 hour gap still. 4 hour on 30 looks real bullish, but I like the 1 hour for the short. That 4 hour look bullish though. All right, I'm gonna chance the shorts right here at the 1 hour fair value gap at 10 o'clock. Ideally looking to target lower. I wish I can get a bigger stop, but 50 points, it should be valid. Ideally, I just want to target this low. Now, yeah, I'm already aware. All right, I'm in the shorts. Let's see what we could do. First trade of the day is US 30 shorts. Let me send it in the chat. First trade. Let's see. Let's see how this is gonna play out. We're roughly at break even right now. Let's see. Come on, trades. So. Yeah, we about to hit TP1, I think, almost. If we can get some volume, this has been a wick, so let's see. All right, that's TP1, that's it. Let's got TP1. I'm breaking even. Let's see if we can get TP2. I'm break even now. Let's see what happens. If I can get TP2, I'll probably take it right there. TP2 is all I need. We almost had it though. We almost about to smack our break evens. First one's break even, but my re-entry, I'ma trust it. I'm ready for it. I got my trades ready. 50-point stops. We're gonna get it, and if it hits stop loss, we'll take the 1L for the day. Yeah, we'll have one break even, 1L. Pre-11 o'clock. All right, so far today's been an L day. We had one break even trade and one L trade. It is what it is. I'm about to pick up my girl, but I was about to show you guys this car because this is actually one of the cars that I'm thinking about getting. I don't know where my McLaren car is. Here it is. The McLaren is one of the cars that I'm thinking about getting, but besides the McLaren, I'm thinking about getting an Audi R8. Now, it's probably not going to be my next car. The next car is more than likely going to be the AMG GT, either 43 or 53. But the Audi R8 or the McLaren, I'm going to be getting those. And I'm about to show you guys the Audi. Nah, this John too crazy. That John too crazy. Damn. Now the carbon fiber on the side is crazy. Oh my God. That engine looking crazy. Look at it. Damn. That shit. The inside is cool, but the outside is what I fuck with. The front, the bumper, how low it is. Good John. That V10. Like, I like my car, but I'm gonna need the upgrade, and this is definitely an upgrade. All right, and we are back at the crib, everybody. We got the setup that I didn't want to trade at today. We are back at. But at the end of the day, the main purpose of this video was to show you guys what it's like to trade on the go, to show you guys what it's really like to be able to make money online. Now, even though it might have not been the best example because I ended up having a losing day, I had one break-even trade, which was a win, but I didn't make money on it, and I had a loss. It is what it is. You're not going to win every day. You're not going to win every trade. Don't beat yourself up on one day. Don't beat yourself up about one trade. You got to look at it long term. Don't worry about how you did for the day. Don't worry about how you did for the week. Worry about how you did for the month, how you're doing for the year, how you're doing this year compared to last year. Think long term. Big fish, big sharks in the ocean, think long term. People that have a lot of money think long term. They're not getting stuck on the individual day to day. People that get stuck on the individual day to day, they stress themselves out and they end up blowing out and they end up not being able to stay in the game long term. The name of the game is staying in the game long term. The only way you do that is understanding risk management, getting experience, and constantly looking to improve every single day. Now, if you guys watched yesterday's video, this is the trade plan that I explained to you guys, is the trade plan that made me profitable, and is the trade plan that I currently use as of right now. Now, even though I didn't win today, I followed the trade plan. Now, even though I didn't make money, I followed the trade plan. Even though it may not feel the best, I followed the trade plan. So it doesn't matter the result. I can't control the result. I can only control my inputs. The outputs are going to either be a win or a loss. I can't really determine what it's going to be. All I can do is control my entry, control how much I'm risking, control my risk management. That's it. Everything else, I should not get my emotions in, and I just got to let it be what it be. But the main purpose of the video was to just show you for being out there, being able to trade on the go, being able to make money online. Not everybody wants to sit at a desk all day. I don't want to be like an office job. I want to travel. I want to be able to make money in other states. I want to be able to make money in hotel rooms, on the go, in the car, on boats. I don't want to be sitting at my desk all the time. Now, even though I like my desk, I like being able to have a good desk setup, I like to be able to be in other environments such as downtown. Being able to look at the future apartments that I want to live in. That blue apartment building that I showed you guys earlier is one of the buildings that I want to move into. So the fact that I can put myself in those environments and work, even though I didn't make money, like I said, it still helps me be motivated, helps inspire me, and it helps keeps me going because I know what I'm aiming for. If you don't know what you're aiming for, you're not gonna have the willingness to keep going when times get hard. People don't understand that. You gotta have the eyes on the prize. But this is where we're gonna be ending the video off. Today's gonna be a short little video. Tomorrow is the end of the week, and tomorrow's also NFP. So we're gonna be up early. We're gonna be up early with the VIP Trader Network, and we're gonna do what we do always, get to work and try to end the week off with a bang. Try to make some money, and if we don't, we come back next week
starting fresh, starting over, new week, new opportunities. There's just new chances to be great every single day. Don't get stuck on it. Don't get stuck on one day. But with that being said, stay safe, stay productive, and I'll see you guys in the next video.